Hello everyone, hope everyone are doing good. In today's video, we will see how to automate the pharma order processing system using AWS Lambda, Amazon S3 and Dynamo DB. This is a use case for us, and this is a problem statement considering XY is a leading pharmaceutical company looking to automate their pharma ordering processing system and want to upload the CSV into Amazon S3 and to process the data to write it into the Dynamo DB. This must be efficient This must be efficient, scalable, and serverless to handle the varying volume of orders. Okay, we need to consider the Lambda function can able to process the orders if it is less than 15 minutes. If it is more, then we need to go for other option like EC2 instances, anything. Okay, we'll go step by step process. First is setting up an S3 bucket. Go to Amazon S3 and select and create an S3 bucket, which is a pharma list in my case. Go here, go to buckets. I created one S3 bucket which is called pharma list. Okay, and then we will set up a Dynamo DB. Go to a Dynamo DB in management console and create a Dynamo DB table, and along with the partition ID. Here in my case, I created a pharma orders as one of the Dynamo DB and partition order ID as a partition key. And we need to go to IAM and we need to create an IAM role. Here I created a pharma role with the following policies attached to it: S3 read-only access and Dynamo DB full access. Okay, and creating a Lambda function. Go to Lambda function and create a function which is called pharma function. Okay, we'll go through the code which I written here. Where you're not able to see. First we need to create a Boto3 client. We need to import the Boto3 and we need to give the table name which I created format DB. We need to create a resources for the Dynamo DB and similarly for S3. And first we need to fetch the bucket name from the event and need to be stored in the bucket, and similarly we need to collect the file name which we uploaded in the S3 bucket, which is CSV file name. Based on the input bucket and CSV file name, we need to get the object, which is a CSV object, which is present inside the file. And using the file reader, we need to iterate the file object, and we need to store it in the orders. And then finally, we need to iterate the orders, and we'll store it in the DynamoDB table by using the put item. Okay, it's a simple function. Okay, and then we need to create an event trigger, which is an S3. We need to add this trigger basically whenever a user is uploaded the file into the S3, it should call the Lambda function. That purpose we have added the trigger as Amazon S3. Okay, this is the CSV file I uploaded. If you see here, this is the CSV file I uploaded, which is having format, order ID, product name, quantity, and date of delivery. Okay, this is the Lambda function code which I explained. We need to configure S3 event. We need to give the bucket name, and we need to give the input event type as a put and CSV file, because we are going to upload the CS file into the S3 bucket. Okay, we'll try by changing this item. We'll change one of the things. I'm making aspirin as 20, changing this quantity. So this, okay, going to the S3 bucket. I'm going to the bucket which I created, deleting the existing one. Deleted the existing object. Just closing this. Okay, clicking on upload. I'm adding the file, adding the CSV file. Select this import and click on upload. Okay, once it's been uploaded, the Lambda function will be called, and then it will write the data in our Dynamo DB by iterating the list of orders. Okay, going inside the Dynamo DB table, clicking on explore items. Okay, if you see here, initially the aspirin has 100 quantity. Now I uploaded the new CSV file, just clicking on refresh. Now the aspirin has been updated to 20. Similarly, whenever the user uploaded the new CSV file, the Lambda function been automatically called and it write the data into a Dynamo DB table. Hope this use case is helpful to everyone. If you like this medium blog, just give a clap and inform to your friends to try this simple AWS use case as well. And finally, please make sure that you deleted the new S3 packet created and the Lambda function created and the Dynamo DB table created and also the IAM role created. Thanks everyone.